Hare Krishna everyone. So let's try to practice the theory of the fast breaks which we have learned in the previous video. Okay, what was it? Tak 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 ti tak. Okay, very easy, right? So we will try to do this in the Kirtan application. You can choose any of the fast beat of the 4 variation which we learned. Mostly I would recommend third or fourth variation you can pick up, and we will try to apply this in the Kirtan. Okay, not very easy, but let's try to practice so that eventually we get to do it. So let's start with Srila Prabhupada Kirtan. Okay, so I will play first the third variation of the fast beat. So I will be able to show you the smaller side of the Mridanga, say, because already you know this beat, so I will not show the both the sides. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare tak 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare tak 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 Krishna. See, I'm stopping in between just to show you. Now let's take another variation example of the Kirtan. Tulasi Arti. Okay, whatever Kirtan we see. Hare Krishna. Okay, that is the tougher one. Let's take easier one. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, tak 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 tak, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, like this you can practice. Let's take example of like how we end the Kirtan, right? Jaya Radha Madhav, Jaya Radha Madhav. You can pick it up also like that, like whenever Kirtan is about it, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitya Gaura Hari Bol. At the end you can play one dha if you're ending the Kirtan. So this is how this beat can be practiced. I showed only few examples. There can be many, but at least you try to practice this first. Then I will tell more during the upcoming tutorial videos when we will combine the fast beat plus breaks, when we will play a complete Kirtan. Okay, that time.